Hey everyone, it's Fiktxun Crypto back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be going over the explosion in the Coreum price. I mean, it has skyrocketed within the last 14 days. I think almost going up by 200 something percent. Really crazy things going on in this small bull market. So what are we expecting? I don't know, but let's get straight into this video. Now, if you're not following us on Twitter already, give us a follow at Fiktxun Crypto. We are looking for content creators, so if you're watching this video and you want to potentially join the team to cover some crypto news, hey, hit us up, DM us. We are trying to expand the brand out, so this is the perfect opportunity for somebody who's been researching and just wanted to be a part of something, be a part of a team that's growing and that will be here and work with you in your best interest at all times. So enough of promoting my stuff. If you want all of these links, it will be in our description. Every article, every page that we visit, we put the links in our descriptions in order. So let's get straight to this first tweet showing off the brand Coreum. This is their official Twitter handle right here, Coreum Official. Boom, almost 54,000 followers. So they joined Twitter in December of 2022, and almost 2 years later, a project that is huge has been created. So this is great opportunity for people to learn about these new blockchain technologies. I'm still learning myself. I'm no wizard at any of this. This does not come by luck. It comes by learning and putting in that work. And you have to keep learning, expanding your knowledge, because one opportunity in this field can change your life. Trust me, it did for me. So let's look at Coreum's price before we go into this. I am going to be doing a live chart markup for you all in this video, just to show you a little bit of the inside of my mind, how I look at the charts and how I trade, just so you can see if you're aligned with the markets like I am. And hey, you know, that's what I like to do. So Coreum right now is 26 cents. We're just going to say 27 cents. I believe earlier I seen that it got up to 31 cents on my other video. It's a screenshot somebody had. So Coreum is really doing the thing, man. And let's just look at the data. So 4 days ago, it was 15 cents. I was trying to make a video about this, but I got too busy. I was wanting to buy some of this, but I got too busy as well. And then let's go back. 12, 14. Man, 13, 12 cents, and right around 12 cents. Let's go back a month. 8 cents. Oh my goodness. So we already up 3x from less than 32 days ago. Hey, man, it's moving. Now, this is some information I want to go over again and just emphasize. This project is going to be big. Coreum is posed to be listed on several leading exchanges in December in the up and coming months, widening its global reach. This development will increase the accessibility to the Coreum ecosystem globally. Guess the names. I'm already thinking Binance. It has to be Binance, and this is why. We got Sologenic already establishing a bridge, a working bridge from the XRP ledger to the Binance Smart Chain. And when you already have relationships like this, it's very easy to go ahead and get what you need accomplished. In business, you need relationships. A lot of people focus on making money, but making money, anybody can make money. Not everybody can have relationships. Hey, relationships take you far. Trust me, I know. Now, what we're going to do is go back over that tweet thread just to show you, hey, Bob Ross he has created this long tweet thread. We have things like ISO 20022 in there, which is something you probably should be reading. And I believe I wanted to zone in on one of these tweets. So get ready for the new two-way cross-chain bridge between the XRPL and Coreum, enabling seamless asset transfers like XRP and Solo between both chains. Coreum is also adding support for chains like AVAX and Binance Chain. Okay, I didn't even see this tweet, but I mean that just kind of confirms it. If we're going to be bridging from the XRP ledger to Binance to Coreum to AVAX, I mean all of these bridges are already here for the XRP ledger, and all of these other projects like Sologenic, Coreum, OXP. If you don't know about them, go check out OXP. We're going to be making a video about that very, very soon. So, I mean, it's already kind of written in stone, cemented in the ground, and cured. The relationship is there, like we said. Now, let's get into this chart. And this is a monthly chart for Coreum on TradingView. And, I mean, just looking at the structures from the monthly, I can already see why we are pushing up so aggressively in this market. Let's see, and we're going to do this live for you all just to show you what I see in the market. I mean, basically, it's an order block right here, and what is this? You got to press Alt, and I haven't traded in a long time, so forgive me. It's like Alt H or something like that. It's an order block right here, and you see this is where our moving average is starting from, well above it. Now let's break down into a weekly. See how good my order block was. And I would say my order block is very good because we have a lot of liquidity in wicks. I trade by the wicks. That's just me. The liquidity zones. You see it's an obvious liquidity zone for this price point from 15 cent to 18 cent right here on Coreum. And I said that we would be getting past this. And you see some live action going on. A doji candle being created right now. So let's break this down into the 1 day, and let me see something real quick. Yeah, boom. Okay. See, I trade from the previous history. You see, I didn't really even look at this stuff right here. I trade from the previous history because the previous history is going to show us exactly where we're going on the chart, and I like this zone right here. Break it down to the 1 day chart, and let's see what's going on. Beautiful chart, beautiful chart. You see how we have this zone. This is a huge zone right here, and actually it's too big of a zone for me to actually go off of, but you can definitely see that W pattern, which we love to trade off. It's like a cup and handle, and it's just a perfect cup and handle too. Man, this is the perfect cup and handle, and it just booms. Usually off that cup and handle move, it goes crazy. You know, any chart goes crazy, especially if it has liquidity. And we've been seeing a lot of volatility with this token between Osmosis chain, updates, news, all this stuff. We have a new community joining the XRP Ledgers community and Coreum's community and Sologenics community. And now money is just flowing through this project, which is amazing. So what can we expect? So let's break it down on our 4-hour chart to see what is going to happen or how we can possibly predict the next movement. I definitely see a retracement in the price, and not by much. I believe what we're going to do is come down to this 22 cent price and this 20 cent price just to kind of clear this liquidity on the bottom side. I trade by the wicks, like I said, and if you watch my channel, you can watch the history of my channel. We are typically right on our trades, and the reason I say this is not financial advice because I haven't even looked at these markets in a year. It's just, for me, I understand charts and how they kind of move sometimes, most of the time. So, you know, I do have that ability of looking at this and just being able to see our zones of liquidity. And, you know, that's where the chart goes. The chart goes to where the money is, either on the upside or the downside. Now, if we do push through to this upside, I expect another push up. And let's see if we can go to a 12-hour up. And TradingView always trying to make you pay for something. So okay, let's see. This is live by. I haven't marked this chart up or anything before I did this video. So I see why we got some resistance right here. I definitely see why we got some resistance right here. So yeah, like I said, I do expect us to go down a little bit from this, but what I see in the future is a sologenic type run. I believe this token, I believe this token can reach $5. Now, let me show you why. For some reason, we have a wick on here for $29. I don't know where that came from, but I guess that's when we had the airdrop or something like that the first time. But look at our chart on this other side. You see this huge gap. Ooh, that is some great information. I've never seen that before right there. So this is another expected point for us to come to, and we can just put our fib on this real quick. From top to bottom of this trend, and you see our 1618 is literally right on this huge gap right here. So if we push past this level of 26 cent and we are able to get past 38 cent, expect us to be trading right into this zone. And I think this is going to be a pretty quick move to the upside. So once again, let's reiterate this. I believe we're going down to 22 cent, 20 cent, in that range, and then we're shooting up to the sky, literally. I definitely see a 100% movement coming very soon from this token. I actually don't even have any Coreum right now, which is crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna probably FOMO in just because I see the potential. I've been doing some research, and the reason I don't have any Coreum, which I did have Coreum before, man, when you lose money in investing, like I lost dang near a lot of money, and it put me in a financial disparity. So I had to get over that financially and mentally. Like, you can make the money back in other ways, but mentally you are kind of broken from making a move like that. I never lost money like Coreum or anything. I'm just talking about like trading in general, because most traders do lose money. It's very hard to beat these bots and algorithms and all of this sophisticated technology that people like Sologenic or companies like Sologenic is building out. So, and especially Ripple. Oh my goodness, that AMM technology is crazy. So I had to get over that financial disparity, that mentality of I may not ever make this back or anything. So, I think it's a good time to buy some Coreum for myself, and this is not financial advice, so please don't take this seriously. These trades are just what I see in the market, and you can tell that I don't even really look at the charts like that. A lot of people talk about all these different terminologies and all that stuff. I think they just make it a little bit harder than what it is. The climate of the market, where we're supposed to be going, and if you believe in the project, just continue to hold it. Just continue to hold it. If you don't know how to trade, don't know how to get out the market, don't know how to exit from and get that capital from those trades, those profitable trades, just hold it for a couple of years, participate in the ecosystem, and help develop the chain. So this is Fiktxun Crypto, everybody. You all have a good one. Peace.